Hello, boys and girls. We are working on a brand new spelling list, which is your fourth spelling list of this year. And this one's going to look a little bit different because we are actually going to take a word and determine the syllable pattern. All of these words have two syllables. And just to review, a syllable means that you are able to tap out or say the words using two simple breaths. For example, athlete, pilgrim, create, control, poet, riot, kitchen, trial, poem, English. As you can hear, there are two parts to each word, and the emphasis is in the first syllable. So as we start breaking apart these words, we need to determine where the syllable break is before we can find the first vowel. If you look at the headings, we do have two that look similar. That's a vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. But based on where the syllable is, that's how we're going to determine what happens. So I need you to get 3 highlighters so that you can begin your list. The first pattern we're going to look at is the vowel, consonant, consonant, syllable break, consonant, vowel after. So I'm going to take my first color and I'm going to highlight my first group header. My vowel, consonant, 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 vowel with the break in the middle. So the example they give us is athlete. So I'm going to put with my pencil a break right here, athlete, athlete. Those are two separate syllables. And if I find the first vowel, I have A-T-H-L-E. So that follows the vowel, consonant, 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 vowel pattern where the break separates the consonants. The other words that fall in this category are kingdom, pumpkin, halfway, English, mushroom. So I'm going to go through and separate those words. So I have kingdom, kingdom. I'm going to split that right there. Kingdom. If I can look at the pattern here, okay, I can see my first vowel is here and I have the vowel, consonant, consonant, a break, and the consonant vowel. So that's going to follow the same pattern. Okay, my other word is pumpkin, pumpkin. So my break is here, pumpkin, and that follows the vowel, consonant, consonant with the break, consonant, vowel, pumpkin. Then we have halfway, halfway. I'm going to put my consonant split right here, halfway, halfway. So I know it breaks in the middle and I find my pattern. Vowel, consonant, consonant, and then consonant, vowel after the break. That follows this pattern as well. We have English, English, English. It separates with the E-N-G, English. So vowel, consonant, consonant, it splits, and then the consonant vowel. That's our pattern here. And then we have mushroom, mushroom. We split it down the middle, mushroom. I find my first vowel, a vowel, consonant, consonant, my split, then a consonant vowel. And I can tell that that pattern matches because I see my syllables and then the patterns. Vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. With my vowel, consonant, consonant, the break, consonant, vowel. I have my vowel, consonant, consonant, then consonant, vowel. Pumpkin, vowel, consonant, consonant, the break, then consonant, vowel. And mushroom, vowel, consonant, consonant, the break, consonant, vowel. So I know that those are all now correct. We are now going to pick a new color and look at a very similar combination, vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, but the emphasis splits after the first consonant. So I'm going to pick a new color. I'm going to highlight my new header. I'll go blue this time. And the example that they give us is pilgrim, pilgrim, pilgrim. So pilgrim is split right there, pilgrim. And the pattern, vowel, consonant, split, consonant, consonant, vowel. That is the pattern that we're following. So there's a few that belong in this group as well. We have complete, monster, kitchen, control, hundred, inspect, children. So let's see. We have complete, complete. That follows the vowel, consonant with a split, consonant, consonant, vowel. That would fall under this category. Absolutely. We have monster, monster, which also follows vowel, consonant, the split, consonant, consonant, vowel. That belongs in this header. We also have kitchen, kitchen. Separates after kit, kitchen, with the vowel, consonant, split, consonant, consonant, vowel. That also fits this pattern. Kitchen. We have control, control. Splits after con, control. Vowel, consonant, split, consonant, consonant, vowel. That pattern fits. Control. We have three more. Hundred, hundred, hundred. Vowel, consonant, split, consonant, consonant, vowel. Absolutely. Hundred, hundred. We have inspect, inspect, inspect. Vowel, consonant, break, consonant, consonant, vowel. That fits that pattern. And children, children, children. As I'm saying it out loud, I'm thinking, where does the word stop? And I need the next breath, children. So I have my vowel, consonant, split, consonant, consonant, vowel. It is critical that you study where these split so that you know how to take your test. Our last group, as we split the word in half, is going to be a vowel-vowel pattern. So I want you to get your third color and highlight vowel-vowel. So the example we have is create, 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 vowel, split, vowel. That fits. We also have poet, riot, do it, trial, cruel, lion, diet, poem, giant. So let's see what we have. Poet, poet, vowel, split, vowel. That follows that pattern. Duet, duet. Splits right in the middle, vowel, split, vowel. That follows that pattern. Riot, riot. Vowel, split, vowel. Fits that pattern. We have poem, poem. Splits right in the middle, and we have the vowel, split, vowel. That fits that pattern. Cruel, cruel. Splits right in the middle, vowel, split, vowel. Follows that pattern. Giant, giant. Splits right in the middle with the vowel, split, vowel. Follows that pattern as well. And our last two, lion, lion. Vowel, split, vowel. Oop, there's one hiding. Trial, trial. Split that. Vowel, split, vowel. And truly, our last one. Diet, diet. It almost sounds like we're chanting. That's what 2 syllables sounds like. So that is what your word list is going to look like. As you hear the words and you practice taking your test, it is critical that you practice breaking these into 2 syllables. Now, if I show you what your test is going to look like, your sorts are going to be very similar to what you're used to. You will need to spell your word correctly and then place a star in the category if it's the vowel consonant consonant split, the vowel consonant split, or the vowel split vowel. So for example, if I gave you the word enchant, just like Beauty and the Beast and the rose is meant to enchant, going to say to myself, okay, let's spell it first. Enchant, E-N-C-H-A-N-T. Let me make that a little bit bigger so you can see. Enchant, enchant. Okay, I'm going to ask myself where that syllable splits. Enchant, enchant, enchant. So I think the split is here, and you can always do that with your pencil. Enchant. And now I'm going to look at what I see. I have vowel, consonant, then the split. Consonant, consonant, vowel. So that helps me understand that I spelled my word correctly. But if I split this correct with syllables, enchant, enchant, it appears that I have a vowel and then a consonant before my split, which means that falls under this category. This would fall under my vowel consonant with a split, consonant, consonant, vowel. Best of luck. If you have any questions, you can ask me or ask your teacher. I look forward to the activities that you complete this week. Good luck.